Hello everyone! Today I will be showing to you guys the insert that we will be getting this coming Sunday, January 1 of 2023. So, Happy New Year to everyone! So, I ordered my insert to J Family Ramos Facebook page. I will pop off their Facebook page in the screen and I will put also the link in the description. So, I got 2 save insert and 1 smart source. They don't have PNG coupon. So, I usually get my PNG through my friend. We exchange a coupon. And then, they have also the Super Saver insert for January 8. And it's available on Monday the 2nd. So, they can shift the Super Saver on January 2. And also, they also have the Smart Source insert for January 8, in which it's ready to go. So, the coupon is from Texas. There is a cotton nail and $2 off 2 Colgate coupon on the Smart Source. I will be showing it also in the end of the video. I will share first the coupon that we will be getting this January 1 of 2023. So let's start in the save insert. So in the save insert, we will be getting $1 off on any children's Tylenol or infant Tylenol. The expiration is January 29. And then $1 off on any Johnson's products. So the expiration is January 29 of 2023. And $1 off any Discitin product. And then in the next page, so just an ad for $2 off on any adult Motrin products. Sorry for that. So the expiration is January 14. And the next is $2 off on any Sundown product. The expiration is January 15. And then $1 off on any Nature's Bounty vitamins or supplement. The expiration is January 29. $2 off on any Nature's Bounty gummy vitamins. The expiration is January 29 also. And $3 off on any Nature's Bounty, this is COQ10 or probiotic supplement. And then in the next page, we got $2.50 off on any one Nature's Bounty vitamin or supplement. This is include the hair, skin, and nails, jelly beans, and gummies. The expiration is January 29. Then $10 off on any 70 count or larger of this by Flex. And then $7 off on any Is product. And then $5 off of this product. And then in the other page, we got $5 off on any 2 package of Boost nutritional drink. Sorry for that. The expiration is February 26, in which I need the Boost because I'm on chemo. And then $3 off on any one Fiber Choice tablet product. The expiration is February 26. And then in the last page, we got $5 off on any IBOTTA or FD Guard product. The expiration is February 26. And then the next save, this is the second save. We got $3 off on any CeraVe product. The expiration is January 21. $3 off on any CeraVe skin renewing product. $3 off on any CeraVe healing ointment. The expiration is January 21. And $4 off on any CeraVe baby product. I hope that the store have clearance so that we can daily use this. And then we got $5 off on any 2 box of Clairol Nice and Easy. The expiration is January 14. It usually glitch in the digital coupon when you purchase it in CVS. Just make sure you clip the high value coupon. And then $2 off on any 1 box of Clairol Nice and Easy. And then in the other part, $4 off on any 2 Nivea Women's Body Wash product. January 28 is the expiration. $1.50 of any Nivea Women's Body Wash product. $1 off on any Nivea Men's Body Wash product. $4 off on any 2 Nivea Body Lotion or In Shower Body Lotion product. The expiration is January 14. $2 off on any 1 Nivea Body Lotion or In Shower Body Lotion product. And then next is $2 off on any one of Truvia Sweet Compliment. Expiration is February 28. $1.50 off on any Truvia sweetener. And then in the other page, we got $5 off on any one Nexium. This is 28 count or 42 count. And then $1.50 of any one Gaviscon 100 count tablet. The expiration is January 29. And then $1.50 of any one Necor. Sorry to pronounce it. And then the other one is $15 off Necoderm QC product 14 count or larger. $3 off on any Necorite product. Expiration is January of 30. And then in the other page, $2 off on any Robitussin product. The expiration is January 15. $2 off on any Theraflu product. $2 off on any Advil. $2 off on any Abriva product. And then we got also $3 off on any Advil 72 count or larger. The expiration is January 8, so it's 1 week only. $3 off on any Advil PM 40 count or larger. And then $3 off on any children's Advil, so the expiration is January 8. And then $1.50 off on any Advil or Advil PM 18 count or larger. The expiration is January 29. And then $1.50 off on any Excedrin. $5 off on any Voltaren Arthritis Pain Gel. The expiration is January 29. And then we got $4 off on any Caltrate Calcium and Vitamin D Supplement. The expiration is January 29. $1 off on any Emergency. The expiration is January 29. And finally, we got some Centrum vitamins. So there is $4 off on any Centrum Silver tablet. The expiration is January 29. Also the $4 off for Centrum tablet 60 count or larger. $4 off on any Centrum multi gummies. The expiration is January 29 also. And then we got $1.50 on any one Preparation Edge product. $4 off on any two Preparation Edge product wipes. Expiration is January 31. We got $2.50 for Benefiber. $1.50 for any one Gas X product, 18 count or larger. And then we got $1.50 on any Sensodyne product. The expiration is January 31. I have not tried to coupon the Sensodyne or Parodontax because it's kind of expensive. And then $1.50 in any one Pronamel product. $1.50 off on any Parodontax. $2 off on any Polydent. And then $1.50 for Super Polygrip. Expiration is January 31. And $2.50 on any Super Polygrip. This is 2 count or 3 count. And then we got $2.50 on any Biotin product. That's a high value coupon. The expiration is January 31. $1.50 on any Aquafresh toothpaste. The expiration is January 31. 75 cents on any Aquafresh toothpaste. 4.6 ounce or larger. And then in the other page, we got $5 off on any Dr. School's or install or over-the-counter treatment. And then we got $3 off also. Sorry for my voice, I have cold. That's why. And we got $3 off on an Assistant Lubricant Eye Drop. The expiration is January 29. We got $6 off for Twin Pack. We got $3 off for OptiFree. The expiration is February 11. And then we got $6 off on any OptiFree. And then we got $3 off on any Gentile Tears Eye Drop. And then we got $3 off of Napcon A. I think in the last page of the save, we got $2 off on any Garnier Skin Active or Green Love product. The expiration is January 14. We got a $5 off on any Garnier Skin Active or Green Love product. $3 off on any 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. Expiration is January 7 of 2023. That's 1 week. Then we got $3 off on any 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner. The expiration is January 7 of 2023. So the Garnier and the Garnier Whole Blend and Fructis is only for 1 week. But some CVS accept expired coupon within 2 weeks. And then in the Smart Source, we got here from Target the $5 gift card when you purchase 25 or more for Purina Tidy Cats litter. So we got $2 off on any Cetaphil product. So it excludes 4 ounce or less here. The expiration is January 28. We got $3 off on any Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, fragrance, or body. This is it includes also the hydrating foaming cream cleanser. The expiration is January 28. We got $6 off on any Cetaphil product. It excludes 4 ounce or less. And then the single bar. And then in the other page, we got $2 off on any 8 Chobani product. The expiration is January 28. So it's valid from January 1 to January 28. We got $1 off on any Chobani Oatmeal Coffee Creamer. The expiration is January 28 also. And then we got some Lysol. $1 off on any 2 Lysol disinfecting wipes. The expiration is January 28. 75 cents on any 1 Lysol disinfecting spray. 50 cents off on any 1 Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Finally, we got some toilet bowl cleaner. This is 50 cents. Then 50 cents off on any 1 Lysol all-purpose cleaner or bathroom cleaner. $1.50 on any 1 Lysol laundry sanitizer. Nice. $2 off on any 1 Tena product. The expiration is January 15. And then here, we got $2 off on any 1 Finish Quantum dishwasher detergent. So I have not seen a Finish Quantum or any Finish product in CVS that I used to coupon for a long time. So then we got $1 off at any 1 Finish Power dishwasher detergent. The expiration is January 28. $1 off on any 1 Finish Jet Dry 3-in-1 rinse. The expiration is January 28. We got $3 off on any 2 Gold Bond product. $2 off on any 1 Gold Bond lotion or cream product. The expiration is January 28. And then last we got a free 1 count Airwick scented oil warmer. Maximum is $2.09. And for sure this will be useful in Walmart, but once there is a free coupon, I cannot find that. Then $1.50 on any 1 Airwick scented oil refill. $5.50 on any 1 Airwick essential mist starter kit. Then the expiration is January 14. And $1.50 off on any 1 Airwick essential mist refill. So that's it for today. So this coming Sunday, we'll be getting 2 Save, 1 Smart Sort, and 1 PNG insert. And I will be getting my PNG in through my friend. And I think this will be the last month that we will be getting a PNG insert. It's gonna be sad, but it's okay. That's the life of couponing, and some manufacturer are stopping to produce coupon because of the inflation. And then I will pop up in the screen the Unilever or Super Saver insert that we'll be getting this coming January 8th. So if you want to order a coupon for Super Saver and Smart Source for January 8th, just message J Family Ramos in their Facebook page, or you can direct message them in their messenger, or You can text them in their phone number that I will include also in the description or in their Instagram. So in the Super Saver, we will be getting Dove coupon and also Degree coupon and Suave coupon. And it will be shipped on Monday the 2nd through Wednesday. And for the Smart Source for January 8th, so it's available now. The coupon is available now. So you can order and it's ready to ship. And once you order, the shipping is included also. I usually, when I order on Friday and they will ship it on Monday, it arrived to me within 2 days. So it's a fast shipping. So it's like 2 day shipping through FedEx, and it depends also on your location and the way the carrier transport the package. So thank you so much guys for watching, and Happy New Year!